Now guys, before I met Eric, I was struggling so much trying to get sales for my business. I was even struggling just trying to get leads for my business. And I noticed I was really doing all the wrong strategies, all the wrong methods. But the moment I decided to link up with Eric, everything changed. I learned everything about social media marketing, attraction marketing, the importance of building your personal brand, how to launch different businesses online on autopilot so that way you can create what I like to call the freedom lifestyle, just be able to travel the world, spend more time with your family and friends, and just unplug from that 9-to-5 slavery. And since then, I've been able to generate a bunch of leads and convert a lot of those leads into sales. This is really important to do, guys. So with that being said, go ahead and click the link below or above this video wherever you're watching this and get started immediately.
What's going on, my friend? Nicky Anderson here, six-figure marketer, and I wanted to shoot this video really fast for you to give a testimony for my man, Ellis Jr. Now, I met this guy when we were down in Hawaii at an industry event. The thing that stood out to me the most about him wasn't his lifestyle, wasn't the amount of money that he was making. It was how humble the dude was when he was talking to me and how willing he was to teach me how to take my game to the next level. You know, since I've been doing this for about 5 years now, I realized that if you say what people say, you do what they do, you're going to get what they get. And Eric definitely has what most people can dream of. He has the lifestyle, he has the income, and he has the knowledge to help you take your game to the next level. So after going through his training and watching what he brings to the marketplace, you know, seeing how simplistic he makes it for the newest person, as well as the experienced marketer, I without a doubt believe that if you follow this guy, you're going to be able to generate more leads for your business, more sales, and be able to live the laptop lifestyle of your dreams. So with that being said, just go ahead, click the link on this page, get started with them, and you won't regret it.
So I want to do a video for Eric because you're freaking amazing. My name is Cornisha, and I've been doing affiliate marketing for about 2 months now. And with your training, I can't see myself doing anything else but this now. And I'm excited, and I can't wait to learn more from your videos. Thank you again, Eric.
Hey guys, my name is Arthur. I'm pretty sure if you guys can see the bags under my eyes, then you already know I'm tired, but I can't sleep. Why? Because I'm super excited that I actually just finally got my first sale of my own online business. As soon as it started, I've already generated 1 sale. Now, I'm not even selling my own product yet, okay? That comes in time. But I at least got blessed with the opportunity to understand what affiliate marketing is. Create something. Go target something. Go find what you have that is your dream and make it happen right now. Because waiting and saying you're gonna do it tomorrow is never gonna come around. I guarantee you. I'm 20 years old, guys. I've been saying it. I'll do it tomorrow since I was 18. Nothing really ever happened. I went from job to job to job. And it just kind of got depressing, you know. I never felt like I was going to ever find anything that I love to do. I was never going to figure out what my dreams were. I thought I was just going to die on this endless road of job hunting or working for a terrible boss I always hated. And then Eric came up. He came up in my life. He said, yo, I want to show you everything you can do to start up your own business. I'm going to show you everything you can do to basically generate income from online while you're sleeping. And I'm going to make sure that you yourself earn the financial freedom that you deserve.
Hey, what's up, you guys? My name is Simone, and I just wanted to come to you guys today and kind of just tell you about my experience. I just want to say that I was struggling so much with getting leads to my affiliate links, and I was losing money on Facebook ads. You know, it's just hard when you're trying to just learn things and you don't have the proper guidance. But with Eric's training, it was literally like day and night, you know, going from no guidance to having, you know, a lot of guidance. He's very helpful, always there to answer questions, and I definitely recommend anybody struggling with affiliate marketing or wanting to get started to click the link above or below this video and get started today, because you won't regret it.
Nick Bingham here, affiliate marketer. A while ago, I struggled to get to where I am right now as far as affiliate marketing goes until I came across Eric Ellis Jr.'s YouTube channel. And I was watching, I was like, man, he's giving away a lot of value. So I kept watching him, kept learning. From then on, it's just been nothing but a blessing, really, because like he walks you through every single step. And to have a mentor where you can learn from someone else versus going out and doing it on your own and failing miserably, like not being good at it. So he walks you through getting traffic, email marketing, your follow-up series, pretty much everything. Yeah.
Let me introduce myself. I'm Thomas Barnes Jr. Was going through online, trying to see what to do with my life, and I decided I want to chase entrepreneurship. I came across affiliate marketing. So I was on YouTube one day and looking at all the affiliate marketing experts and stuff like that, and there's some good experts out there, but man, I came across one dude. His name is Eric Ellis Jr. and man, he helped me a lot. Before I even came across him, I was doing affiliate marketing for like 5-6 months. I wasn't getting no results. When I say I wasn't getting no results, I wasn't getting nothing. Like, I ain't had no email list, nothing. He's putting that game out there on how to Facebook advertise, something I was never good at, but I'm doing better. I'm not gonna say I'm great at it, but I'm doing better than I was before. He put out Instagram ads, which I love Instagram ads. YouTube, free traffic, solo ads, everything that you need to be a great affiliate marketer. It's amazing, man. I learned a lot. I'm seeing results, man. Numbers don't lie, ever. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't. He answers all questions. He's very responsive. Hey, go to that man. Take action. The reason why I got with that man, because he's my age and he's traveling the world while I'm still here in the States, and I will be doing that soon, I promise. That man changed my business and changed my life, and I just thank that man to the death of me, man.
Hey everybody, my name is Dustin Camp. I wanted to take a quick minute just to talk about Eric Ellis Jr. and a quick background for me. When I was trying to learn how to drive targeted leads to my business, I was really struggling in how to make traffic convert and work for me and be able to just be super profitable in all my marketing efforts. I learned the things that nobody really teaches, is how to specifically target people and set it up to where they actually want to buy what you have to offer. And after going through there, my business has been solid from then on. I've not had any issues being able to drive targeted, consistent revenue in my business.
Hey guys, Quindell Berry here. I've been trying to make money online for years now, and anyone who knows me could attest to that. I would try this, I would try that, I would fail at this, I would fail at that, and one of the things I tried was affiliate marketing. I've seen a lot of people having success with this on YouTube, so I figured I'd give it a try. Did not work as well as I thought it would. I was spending a lot more money than I was making. I wasn't making anything, to be completely honest with you. But I knew I couldn't give up. I'm married, I have 2 kids, and I know that they're depending on me. I'm tired of living paycheck to paycheck, and I needed to make something happen. So I kept on pushing on. I actually came across Eric Ellis Jr.'s page on YouTube not too long ago. Love the content that he was putting out, and right away it started to make sense. Things that weren't clicking for me started to click. Now I know how to put together a lead capture page the correct way. I know how to set up my Facebook ads so that I can actually get leads in. And I am happy to say that the leads are coming in, so I'm pretty excited about that. So if you're on the fence about his any program or training that he has, don't be. He's out there in the trenches. He practices what he's preaching. He's making it happen, and he's given us everything through his training. So take action. If you see a link below this video, I don't know if it's going to be down here, up there, down there, I don't know, click all the links. Just make sure you take action and get started, man. That's the one thing that I can say. Get started, take action, and you won't regret it.